Welcome to the programming bot for the game Piano Tiles. Before we start programming, we have to try the game properly so that we know what we are going to do. Our bot will work by capturing part of the screen and determining whether there is a black box or not. Therefore, we need to define the part of the screen that we want to capture, because capturing the entire screen would be very inefficient. We will note the coordinates found somewhere. Because our bot will only ask for black pixels, we need to find out what pixels we want to know. The preparations are ready and we can start the programming. I will import all the libraries first. I will create an infinite loop in which I will first ask for input from the user. Then I start capturing the screen at the coordinates I noted. Finally, I will ask about the specific pixels if they are black or not. Attention! I ask on the pixel as if the image variable was my entire screen. So when I ask at the x50 coordinate, I actually ask at x800 on the screen. Finally I can run the program. I'll press S and enjoy the result. Thanks for watching. I will be happy for a like or comment, and I will be looking forward to the next video.